started in 1996, and then we were taken private in 2006. That was, and then that's the time when Francisco Partners and Cisco took us, and we turned private. So we've been the consistent leaders as far as the SME market is concerned, and it's a total 100% channel sales model which we have, wherein America shares 50% of business, whereas the other 50% is for EMEA and Asia Pacific. And we have been the leaders in UTM, that's Unified Threat Appliance Management Appliances, in the $3,000 to $6,000 US dollars band. So the security concerns are basically, we have two concerns, business as well as IT. A business owner of a company would actually look in the network time should be maximum, the administrative cost should be minimum, we should have maximum productivity with safeguarding our informations. Where an IT concern would be more concerned about the security of the network, the network uptime, the scalable solution, how easy is it to troubleshoot the network, and how easy is operating systems updates available to us. So they are basically different concerns, but all are under the broad security concerns. So in 2001, we were attacked by a virus called Code Red, which spread all over the world in 14 hours, leaving a huge damage, which was around $2.6 billion, and the cleanup process. Then in 2003, we were again hit by another virus, which was called the Sapphire Slammer, which took 14 minutes and infected the whole world. Then again, in 2005, we were again infected by an internet messaging worm, which destroyed again the whole computers of the world in 14 seconds. So hacker and virus developers were going more and more smarter. So we have a clear choice ahead of us, which is WatchGuard, which can take care of all these kind of troubles in your network, wherein it proactively blocks all the viruses, worms, spywares, trojans, etc. So basically, UTM would consist of the firewall, which is our basic defense mechanism, wherein it bifurcates between the untrust and the trusted world, your virtual private network, your gateway antivirus, your intrusion prevention mechanism, URL filtering mechanism, which would help your employees not to surf on a non-productive your anti-spam and your anti-spyware as well. So all clubbed together makes a unified threat management appliance. Why do UTM make sense for a medium or now for a large enterprise? Because it's one comprehensive solution out of one single appliance where the total cost of ownership is low. Your administration is simple, wherein one guy can maintain all your appliance. Plus you have your efficient technology as well. So you can see the graph clearly, the UTM graph is going up, whereas the standalone firewall graph is going down. So soon it'll cross. So what advantages are there of WatchGuard vis-a-vis the other technologies? We are a 7-layer application proxy with a true zero-day protection, with the best of breed technologies, with all the OEMs with us in our appliance. Our hardware failure is much less than our competition, than the industry standards. Plus, we've been rated by the Gartner as the top price performance leader, wherein we give an average throughput of 4.7, whereas vis-a-vis our competition, which is around 13 average throughput. Plus, it is very easy to manage, and it's very drag and drop where you can configure the appliance. So these are 3 ranges of products. We're starting from our Soho appliances, which caters from 15 to maybe a 60 user network, wherein going on to the Peak series, which is mainly for the education section, colleges, where you can cater easily up to 500 to 2,000 kind of a node network. So Live Security is our proprietary service which we give, wherein it takes care of your technical support, your hardware warranty, security alerts from our support center, upgrades, free upgrades, and expert advice from our experts sitting in Seattle. This is a new appliance which we have just launched, which is exclusively for the big enterprise. That's the 5,000 plus. We were not catering to those networks, so we just launched this appliance 3 months back, targeting all the big educations and the big ISPs, data centers. So it's a pretty powerful appliance which would have a 10 GB firewall, 2 GB VPN throughput, plus 12 port, which can be extended to another 4 port of fiber optics, together 16 port on the firewall. Plus you have dedicated management ports as well. Plus it has it's hot swappable power supplies, plus 3 hot swap fans, so that it can act as a redundant mode as well.
Sir, kindly wrap up, please.
Yeah, 1 minute. So we have, for your network, we have starting from your SOHO section to the topmost, we have all kinds of solutions which are available with us. And this is what we have recently done. We have recently acquired a company called Borderware, which was into email security. Now, they'll be selling. They have joined hands with us, so we would be selling their products as well under our WatchGuard tag. So they're based out of Toronto, Canada. So these are the clients, which are worldwide on WatchGuard. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much.